Australia opens Regional Work Visa 2025. Family PR Pathway. Skilled migration update. Thinking about moving to Australia and securing permanent residency for your family. Australia's new 5-year Regional Work Visa could be your golden ticket. Stick around, because I'll break down everything you need to know. Hey everyone! Australia just introduced a 5-year subclass for 194 Regional Work Visa for 2025. It is a fantastic opportunity for skilled workers and their families to live, work, and eventually move towards permanent residency in regional Australia. In this video, I'll cover eligibility, the application process, benefits, and key tips to make your visa journey smooth. Australia's Subclass 494 visa is designed to strengthen regional communities while giving skilled professionals and their families a clear path to permanent residency. Regional areas in Australia often face skill shortages, so this visa encourages skilled workers to settle outside the major cities, contributing to local economies while enjoying a better work-life balance and a more affordable lifestyle. For many families, this is not just an immigration opportunity, it's a chance to build a secure, stable, and fulfilling life in a beautiful and welcoming part of the country. To qualify for the subclass for 194 visa, applicants must first receive a nomination from an approved regional employer. This is a crucial step, as the nomination ensures that your skills match the needs of regional communities. Employers nominate candidates for specific occupations that are in demand, such as trades, healthcare, engineering, IT, and other skilled professions. Applicants must also be under the age of 45 at the time of application, as age limits are part of Australia's skilled migration rules. English language proficiency is another key requirement. Applicants need to demonstrate their ability to communicate effectively in English, which is important for both professional and personal integration into regional communities. This can typically be shown through standard English tests accepted by the Department of Home Affairs. In addition, applicants must possess the relevant skills and experience required for their nominated occupation, and in many cases, having recognized qualifications or certifications in your field significantly improves your chances. Health and character checks are mandatory as well. The Department of Home Affairs wants to ensure that all migrants are in good health and have no serious criminal background. This helps protect both the community and the applicant. Meeting these requirements confirms that you are eligible for this regional migration pathway and can move forward with confidence. Once eligibility is confirmed, the application process begins. The first step is securing your regional employer nomination. After that, you can submit your visa application online through the Department of Home Affairs portal. It's important to have all documents prepared in advance, including proof of identity, educational qualifications, work experience letters, and any relevant licenses or certifications. Accuracy is critical because incomplete or incorrect documents can lead to delays or even refusals. One of the best aspects of this visa is that spouses and dependent children can be included in the same application. This makes it ideal for families who want to move together, rather than having to apply separately. Including family members ensures they can work, study, and access healthcare in Australia from the moment your visa is granted. This family-friendly approach makes the subclass for 194 visa one of the most attractive options for skilled migrants with dependents. The benefits of the subclass for 194 visa extend beyond just living and working in Australia. Visa holders can stay in regional areas for 5 years, which provides long-term stability and an opportunity to fully settle into their communities. After 3 years of continuous employment in a regional area, applicants become eligible to apply for permanent residency, which opens up even more opportunities for work, education, and family life. The visa also allows multiple entries and exits, meaning you can travel in and out of Australia without affecting your visa status. Visa holders and their families are granted access to healthcare through Medicare and can enroll their children in local schools, which ensures that families can fully integrate into regional life. These benefits help create a sense of security and belonging, making it easier to adapt to a new environment. Moreover, living in regional areas often offers a lower cost of living, shorter commutes, and a more relaxed lifestyle compared to Australia's major cities. There are a few important tips to ensure a smooth application and stay. Maintaining regular communication with your sponsoring employer is critical. Employers can provide updates and guidance that can help avoid mistakes during the application process. Applicants should also carefully follow all visa conditions, including work obligations and location requirements. Staying informed about policy updates is equally important, as immigration rules can change and may affect your plans. Finally, planning ahead for permanent residency ensures that you are ready to take the next step as soon as you meet the eligibility criteria. Being proactive can make the difference between a smooth settlement and unnecessary delays or stress. The Subclass 494 visa is not just a work visa, it is a strategic opportunity for skilled workers and their families to build a secure future in regional Australia. It provides a pathway to permanent residency, access to essential services, and the chance to live in vibrant regional communities. By understanding the eligibility criteria, preparing a complete application, and staying informed throughout the process, families can take full advantage of this incredible opportunity and start a new chapter in Australia.